been talking with officials throughout the region today, speaking with not only Israeli intelligence and security officials, but officials in the Gulf, like the Qataris and even the Iranians, trying to get an understanding of how everyone sees this situation. And they realize this is an unprecedented moment in the Middle East because it has an opportunity to change the reality for the region. You mentioned that Israel's been at war for more than 600 days, and we have seen the missile fire from places like Yemen with the Houthis there, from Hezbollah in southern Lebanon, and of course the groups inside Gaza like Hamas and Islamic Jihad. What we saw tonight was quite different, Sean. And the reality is that when these barrages come in so intense and so powerful, even with Israel's advanced missile defense systems, like the David Sling or the Arrow 2 and 3 system, with the support of the American systems that are currently on the ground, like the Patriot system and the THAAD system, it's not enough.